What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, if you're looking at that sign behind me there, you will see that we are in downtown Mooresville for the Burnout for Biff. So in just a little bit, I'll flip that around. Cleetus is going to be doing a burnout in the limo. You can see the stars that we're passing. This is part of the NC Auto Racing Walk of Fame. So you'll see these stars, spaced out down through here. So we're not sure where Greg's star is, but we're thinking it'll be right up here where Cleetus's limo is. You can see it up there in the distance. Now, the event doesn't start for another hour or so, but as you can see, people are already coming out and getting set up to where they're going to have the best view. I'm not sure if this line is to meet people or check that out, guys. You got to put it in widescreen to get the whole thing in the shot. But this is what we're going to be doing the burnout with. We got the big guy, Dale Earnhardt. Directly across from where we're standing, right there, is where Biff's star is. So that's why we're doing the burnout right here. Oh, it's a diesel Volkswagen. Look at that diesel Volkswagen. So as you can see, guys, they are starting to put up the barricade to keep people out on the streets over there. And everybody that was there had to move. So I'm imagining we're going to be right there at the memorial. It's kind of where he's going to do this thing. So you can see they're trying to pull some black curtains to cover some of these storefronts. I guess they believe there's going to be a lot of shrapnel rubber and some steel belts flying. The consensus here is that he's going to melt the tires completely off on the limo. So we'll see if that's what happens.
Yep, in shorts.
Told you.
Wearing shorts.
Jack stands wearing shorts. Have you ever seen this thing drift?
Well, it's super cold here and it runs off of methanol, so they got to baby it for a bit to crank it anyway.
There you go. I'm going to slow that down because there was flame that shot out about 10 feet.
I saw a leak in methane when I was up there. Right there.
That blocking you, brother? You good? I don't want
I can't see it.
We got a fire.
Oh my God.
I saw the big fireball. Oh, how about some action?
A little bit, Rich. Squirrel? Look at him all cleaned up. We're gonna catch a fire. Yeah, that's pretty neat if you think about it. It's almost like pallbearers.
yet. But they are going to start the program. Don't come to me. It's at 4 o'clock. All right, so we got about 45 minutes. Then, just a little bit of talking, and then we're going to try to blow a little up. All right?
You want a picture of a squirrel, Mom?
Dang, turn around.
Yeah,
Yeah, turn around.
Dang. Turn around.
Squirrel, you should be on GQ looking like that, man. That's the... All right, thanks, guys. Thanks, Squirrel.
Carolina, brother.
Sir.
All these guys have been super nice. They've all been out here signing autographs. What? Oh, Sam, everybody.
Great to see y'all. How we doing today?
And the mom's getting a picture with Sam.
Lisa probably got her hand on your butt.
You're living the dream, Sam. Living the dream. All right, guys, we've been waiting out here like, what, 2 hours? 2 hours. It's really cold, but it's gonna start in about 8 minutes. I just wanna show you how many people are here. So I'm gonna flip around and do a widescreen and show you how many people are at this thing.
I need you to help me welcome Cleetus McFarland. We're here to do the Burnout For Biff, right?
Yes, sir.
Who thinks the mayor of Mooresville should ride with me in the limo?
Yeah.
Alright, let's settle that. Listen, guys, I did a long speech on this earlier today. It was tough, man. I don't even have a lot of you guys here on staff. The only reason I ever came to Mooresville was because of this, and I love you. I really do. And I cannot thank you guys enough for coming.
We love you!
Our boys, Christina, Emma, Ryder, Craig, the Dutton. It means a ton that you guys showed up today. Thank you so much. For the Biff. For the Biff.
For the Biff.
He loves quite a few things in his life. God, family, Facebook Marketplace. What he loves, burnout. So, enough talking. Let's get down to business. Who wants to see this limo burn it up?
I
Big
do.
time on Main Street here in Mooresville. Give me a few minutes to get ready, and I'm gonna blow this into. Be like Biff.
Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff. Be like Biff.
Out too bad.
Be like
Thank you. Good job.
Damn, you gotta be in widescreen to get the whole fucking car. He's got his spray ready. One more. think he had enough time to do it again. Woo!
Looked like a baron.
Yeah. So I guess he did blow it.
Really? I look over you. I didn't regret that.
Well, I'm going to be honest. I want you to last a little bit longer, but we set the rock at the bottom of the block.
Look at the oil over there.
It started blowing the tires off and the rock came out. That's what our mission was today, right? Oh, look at that. What do you think? Is he still here? What? That was short-lived, but we did what we had to do. We had to come here and burn the tires for good. What do you got here? Oh, you got a good burnout tire. Check that out. Oh, thank you. That's awesome. All right. Well, Mayor, what do you think? You did exactly what you said. You're going to come down that Mooresville, and you're going to absolutely like this place right now. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. And I hope you mark your permit. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Those are pretty solid. I think those are coming off. Nice. Look at that. Right in front of our boy Star. So, guys, that's the Burnout For Biff. I want to thank downtown Mooresville for allowing us to have time. I reached out to the mayor. He said, absolutely, we'd love to have you guys down to do a burnout. And that's pretty cool, right? Well, guys, that's it. Have fun and thanks for coming out. Really appreciate you. Remember to be like this. Here's the bell. We'll see you later.
Alright guys, look at that. It has coated the ground. You can't even hardly pick that up.
Let's go.
It's crazy.
Yeah. You guys won't give it a